Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes anti-malware service executable high disk usage. First step is type Task Scheduler in Windows search bar, click Task Scheduler. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand Windows Defender. Open Windows Defender Scheduled Scan. Uncheck Run with Highest Privileges, click Conditions tab. Uncheck Start the task only if the computer is on AC power. Check anti-malware disk usage. Second step is type Windows Security in Windows search bar, click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings. Click Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Add an exclusion, click File. Open C Drive, Program Files, Windows Defender, select msmpeng.exe. Click Add an exclusion, click File. Select msmpeng.exe. Copy msmpeng.exe. Click Add an exclusion, select File type. Paste the FLE. Third step is type Windows Security in Windows search bar, click Windows Security. Click Manage Settings, turn off real-time protection. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.